Hello, my name is Miriam, and I'm doing my project over spiders. So, spiders are one of the most important and widespread predators in terrestrial ecosystems. They're arthropods that belong to the class Arachnida, and they're found almost everywhere on Earth. They're a very diverse group. They have over 56,000 different types of uh, subspecies. For their common and scientific name, spider, and their scientific name is Arani. They are class Arachnida, phylum Arthropoda, and some unique characteristics of them is that they have two body regions, the cephalothorax and the abdomen. They have 8 legs, and they do not have an antenna, unlike other arthropods. For their habitat, spiders have a very wide distribution. They're found basically everywhere except for Antarctica. They live in many different environments, including forests, deserts, grasslands, and even inside human homes and farms. Most spiders prefer habitats that give them the proper structural support for building webs and a steady supply of prey. Because their prey are insects, that's why they're able to live pretty much everywhere because insects are pretty much everywhere. So their food source, they're carnivores that again they mainly eat insects like ants, mosquitoes, beetles, stuff like that. The larger types of spiders, they can eat larger animals, so they can eat worms, snails, lizards, sometimes even frogs, and sometimes even other spiders. They're able to capture their prey passively or actively. So some spiders build webs using silk to trap their prey, while others actively hunt, such as like the jumping spider. They're able to detect prey um, by distinguishing between different vibrations, touch, and air movement. They have very evolved sensory uh, detectors on their legs that can tell the difference between just wind, debris, or an actual insect. And once prey is captured, they use their fangs to inject venom that either immobilizes it or completely kills it. It's pretty interesting. So some spiders are able to just cause pain and temporary paralysis that weakens their prey, while other spiders are more venomous and they're able to cause necrosis or just completely kill um, their prey. And then after that's done, they release digestive enzymes that liquefy their prey just so they're able to basically suck up all their nutrients because they don't really have teeth, they can't chew, so they have to turn it into a liquid. Predator prey relationships. So spiders are secondary consumers in the food web. They feed on primary consumers such as insects, and they help control populations of flies, mosquitoes, and other pests. At the same time, they're also prey for other animals like birds, reptiles, amphibians, and other spiders as well. Some of their unique traits, they have several unique evolved traits that have made them such effective predators and very adaptable. So, one of those would be that they produce silk from spinnerets, which allows them to build webs for capturing prey. They also have those venomous fangs that allow for them to catch their prey. And right there is just the phylogenetic tree, basically of spiders. So their importance in ecosystems and humans, they help control the insect population, which reduces the spread of pests and diseases, which makes them basically natural biological control agents. They also contribute to maintaining balance within ecosystem. Here's just some pictures of different types of spiders. Right there you can see how they can capture their prey in their webs. And then right there it goes over the different types of venoms, their chemical makeup of it, very common spiders in the US. And then on the bottom right is a more detailed picture of their webs and how they kind of build them. Here are my citations. Right. Thank you.